Creativity, if added in the right way, can make anything beautiful. And if professionally you are into something that calls for creativity on everyday basis, then you should surely watch this video till the end to add the strokes of creativity in your handwriting, which will help you to become more creative in your day-to-day and your professional life. Let's see how can we add touch of creativity in our lives just by changing few strokes in alphabets with graphology. Before going there, for those who have come first time to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you do not miss out on any of my new videos. Graphology or handwriting analysis is art and science to study personality traits and behavioral patterns of a person. And by changing specific curves or strokes in handwriting, one can bring the desired change in one's personality over a period of time. But beware before making any graphological changes in handwriting, cause there may be serious consequences after changing a specific stroke or curve in handwriting. So always consult a graphologist for any handwriting change suggestions. There are 4 ways through which one can become more creative through graphology or handwriting analysis. First thing that we can check to see if a writer is creative is left margin in handwriting sample while the sample is given on the unruled paper. If left side margin is wavy as shown in image, then this person is experimentative and creative. Next trait that tells that a person can be creative is disconnected writers. Disconnected writers mean those who write all the alphabets disconnected as shown in image. Disconnected writers have high intuitions, and these writers can use their intuition to get creative ideas. Next comes loop in H. H stands for knowledge, and making loop in H opens upper zone, that's brain part. And when brain part opens up, writer can have lots of ideas, including the creative ones. Image here explains H with a loop and H without a loop. Lastly, one can be more creative by using this X as shown in image. Such writers are out-of-box thinkers, leading to lots of creative ideas. If you enjoy watching my videos, then do hit a thumbs up. And also comment in the comment section what topic do you want me to make my next video on. And if you want to get done your detailed analysis, you can get in touch with me on avaniparikh1985@gmail.com. I am also executive graphology coach. You can also get in touch with me for that services.